Bodine delivers code-compliant emergency lighting solutions for today's sophisticated lighting landscape. One of those solutions is our LED emergency drivers product line. During storage, shipping, or long periods without power, it is important that the batteries in these products remain deactivated. During building construction, for example, power may not be available for many days after the emergency lighting has been installed. Also problematic are periods of extended outages due to natural disasters or when the installation is powered down for maintenance. Typically, control is accomplished using a pair of wires and connectors. This method of control is effective, but dated. Physical connectors are not an ideal solution when we have the technology to do so much better. Enter Automatic Bodine Connect, or ABConnect. ABConnect reliably enables and disables the emergency driver's battery without the need for enable connectors. To paraphrase a saying, ABConnect is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Enabling the emergency driver is extremely simple. After the installation is complete, the emergency function is enabled as soon as AC mains power is applied. If the emergency driver needs to be disabled, this is also easily accomplished with ABConnect. With AC power removed, press and hold the test switch for approximately 3 seconds. This will disable the emergency mode and put the product back into the deactivated state. ABConnect benefits the installer in several ways. In general, ABConnect means less wiring and a faster installation. Additionally, the emergency installation can be 100% completed whether power is immediately available or not. There's no reason for someone to go back into the emergency luminaires at a later date, merely to close the inverter connection once power is available, saving time and money. This is especially beneficial for luminaires not easily accessible due to mounting location or the installation's environment. Sealed luminaires, like for wet or hazardous locations, may not need to be opened at all, which ensures the integrity of the seal is maintained. ABConnect also helps to avoid installation errors due to the connector being closed prematurely, potentially damaging the battery pack, or due to the inverter connector accidentally being left open, meaning the emergency driver will not function and the installer will be called out to the job site to troubleshoot. Once in the deactivated state, the battery is 100% disconnected. When power resumes, ABConnect automatically reactivates the emergency function, immediately connecting the battery to the circuit and resuming normal operation. For more information on ABConnect and to learn about the products with this feature, please visit www.bodine.com/ABConnect. Contact us by phone or email so we can help you find the right product for you. Bodine, delivering code-compliant emergency lighting solutions for today's sophisticated lighting landscape.